guys, today we are back again in some more Subway Surf. And as you know guys, we have great news. Yeah, that's right. Ladies and gentlemen, I am reaching 1,000,000 in Subway Surf. That is right, ladies and gentlemen. If I reach 1,000,000, I will be serious about this. And oh my gosh. I was almost dead there. And we have a magnet. Get those points up and away. Let's just get the volume. Oh. Okay. Let's just get the volume a little bit mahina, I guess. Alright, there we go. That's okay. And now we have another key. Okay, we have another key there. So let's get the power jumper and get a 2x multiplier. There we go. There's another magnet. Guys, I am excited to reach 1,000,000 in Subway Surf. That is my first time reaching 1,000,000, that's right. And look how many coins I got and how many points I got already. I played this 10 minutes from now. Yeah, that's right. I'm almost 1,000,000. And now I'm 990. Look, I'll save you. There we go. That's more better. Okay, come on, 1,000,000. Come on, don't get away from me. 999. Yes, guys. Yes, we have reached 1,000,000. Oh my gosh, that's the best. This is the best day ever. I have reached 1,000,000 in Subway Surf. Look at that. 1,018. Oh, god dang it. I thought there was a sneaker there. Choose a ball. I'll choose this red ball. Choose the red ball. Tap and drag. Okay. I already know billiard. Choose the ball right there. And then boom! Shoot it. No, I missed. Oh, we're 1,000,000, guys. Oh my gosh. There we go, guys. We saved me again. 1,020,000. Wow. I have a big score here. Is this? Wow. Oh my gosh. 1,000,000. No, it's not 1,000,000 yet, maybe. It's 103,000. Oh, come on. Are you just kidding me, man? Okay, guys, are we really reaching 1,000,000? Have we really reached 1,000,000? A key. There we go. Coins, 255. And then a radio, stereo, and then another coins. Okay, and Tricky's hat. All right. Guys, do you see that? 1,294,875. That is really amazing. And you can see it in the leader, and you can see it in your excuse me. You can see it in your own score. Look at that. Let's go. What am I? I'm gold? Why am I gold? I'm supposed to be diamond. This girl over there on the first top diamond got 1,000,000,000. Wow, I've never seen a player that had 1,000,000,000 before. And look at my score. This guy's 1,483,175. Mine is 875. Guys, I can't believe it. We have reached 1.3 million in the game. Wow. I can't believe it. And my coins are 6,664. Let's watch a video to get keys. What's the video? This again? I hate these kinds of ads that have bubble shooter ads because they're 30 seconds away. There we go, right there. Okay, we got a star. No, don't shoot. Okay, we win. Move, 5 moves. Okay. Let's not match it instead. Oh dear. There's no more moves. Wait, what? There's no more moves. You win? What? How did it say you win when I have no more moves? Wow, that's a lot. Right. Need more coins. Fishdom. What should I do? Guys, I have finally reached 1.3 million. Let's get more coins. That's an accident. That was just an accident. Alright, you saved me. Dude, it's so hot. Oh my gosh. Wow. I can't believe I got 1 million in the game. You can even see my top score right there. I'm a pro at this game. And noobs cannot beat me and noobs cannot beat me. That's right. I'm a pro at this game. Pro. And my username is even me in Subway Surf. Okay. Go jump. Ah! Okay. That was cool. I only have 58 coins. That's okay. Now we have 78, 82, 88, 91, 106. Guys, 100. Oh, jeez. 1 million. I forgot the score. Fine, let's just die. Instead. Fine, that's just okay. Okay, and 6,799. Wow, that's amazing. That's an amazing amount of money, but that amount of keys. That's so funny. So what's the score again? Top run. Here it is, guys. 1,294,875. This girl's got 1,009,204,401. That's an amazing run. Wow. There's no deaths for die. Man, I'm gonna off this fan right here. Okay. I'm so polished right now. That's right, guys. And look at this. Jace. Excuse me. Alright, look at that. 1 million. That is amazing. 1,294,875. Guys, comment down below. Oh my gosh, there was enough. So guys, comment down below what was your top run score in Subway Surf. Or if you uninstalled Subway Surfers or not. There's one with a 100. Guys, I'll just get my daily gift. What is it? Coins. 100. I keep getting 100 coins in my daily gift. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you did like it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.